Hey, good day, good morning, student. Today we'll start with the new lesson, that is construction, lesson number 11. Before starting the exercise, we will start with some basic construction, and the first one is to construct perpendicular bisector of the given line segment. So already I have drawn a line. Okay, I have taken the 8 centimeter length. You can take any length. Okay, so to draw the perpendicular bisector, you have to take compass and place your pointed tip of the compass at point B and take more than half of the line segment AB, more than half. Then draw the one arc here little bit longer and one arc here. Okay. Now keeping the same distance without disturbing the compass, then place your pointed tip at A and draw the arc which will intersect the first arc which you have drawn from the point B. Okay. Now join them. So I am joining this. So you are getting 2 points, this one and this point. So you have to join them. Now here, this is the, you can take O, any point. Now O is dividing the line segment AB into two equal parts, means this AO and OB will be equal. Okay, and they are intersecting at 90 degrees. That is why we can say this line, you can name the line as CD. So CD is a perpendicular bisector of AB. Students, second construction, to construct the bisector of the given angle. So already I have drawn an angle ABC. So we have to draw the bisector of angle ABC. For this you have to again take compass and keep the pointed tip on B, and then take sufficient distance, a proper distance which should not be too small or too large, and draw the arc such that it will intersect the two way, that is BC and BA. Now this arc is intersecting BC at this point which we can take as D, and this point which we can take it as E. Now you can from D take a distance DE. You can take more than half of the this distance DE, or you can take this distance full and draw the arc here this side. Okay, same distance from E you have to follow the process such that it will intersect the first arc. Now you are getting two arcs are intersecting at this point which we will take as O. Okay, now join BO. So you have to join BO. Now this point is O. Okay, now BO is nothing but bisector of angle ABC. I have taken angle ABC 60 degrees, so this BO will divide the angle ABC into two angles of 30 degrees. That means angle ABO is 30 degree and angle OBC is 30 degree. So this will be, and this both will be 30 degree each, and this is your bisector of the given angle. Now student, exercise 11.1, first question, construct an angle of 90 degree at the initial point of given ray and justify the construction. So angle of 90 degree we have to construct, which we have already done in the 6th standard, 7th, 8th. Okay, so it is very easy question. So what you have, I have already drawn a ray OA. Now from O take a sufficient distance. So first what we will do, 90 degree is the bisector of 60 and 120. So we will draw 60 and 120. So taking a sufficient distance, draw the arc like this. Okay, measure arc. Then this arc is intersecting ray OA at this point. So taking the same distance what you have taken from O to this point, same distance you have to draw the arc here in such a way. Again this will be 60. Now I will draw 120. So 120 is nothing but twice of 60. So again I will, from this arc I will take again the same distance and it will be 60. So this is 120. This is 60, this is 120. Okay, so 90 is the bisect of 60 and 120. So what you have to do here, take the same distance, you can take the same distance, it will come little bit on the question it is coming. So make sure that it should not come in the question. Okay, like this it will come. Now join this with O. So I am going to join this now. So here this will be a 90 degree. So here you can, this is O A. Okay, so you can take this as B, this point where it is intersecting, this as B. So this is 90. So now there is a justification also. So in justification what you have to do, okay, I am writing justification here. So this should be part of your answer. So in justification you will write angle BOA, it is 90 we know, but it is half of 60 degree and 120 degree, means bisector. So half of 60 plus 120, 180. So here 2 ones are 2 90s are. That is why angle BOA is 90 degree. This is your justification. Now students, second question. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of given ray and justify your construction. Now student, 45 degree is a bisect of 90. So to draw 45 degree, you have to draw 90, which we have seen in the first question. So here already I have drawn angle BOA as 90 degrees. So this will be nothing but 90 degree. So we have to bisect this angle. Now this is a 0, base means 0, and this is 90. So this is 90. So we have to bisect them. So the 2 point will be this 0 and this 90 degree. Okay, so bisect means you can take the distance, more than half of the distance between 2 point, this 2 point, or you can just take the full distance. Okay, so I have taken the full distance. Now you have to draw an arc here. Okay, now same distance, keeping the same distance, you have to draw the arc from here, from this side. Okay, you have to draw the arc from this point, they will intersect here. So this point you can take it as C. Okay, so since I have taken here A, B, and here I am taking C. Now OC will be nothing but bisector of angle BOA. So here I will join O with the C. You can extend this. So this is point C. That means this OC is a bisector of angle BOA. Now angle BOA is 90 degree. So COA, angle COA will be 45 degrees. So this angle will be nothing but 45, which we want. Okay. Now justification. Now justification I am writing. Now what angle is this? COA. So here justification. This is part of your answer. You have to write. Now angle, which angle? COA is equal to half of angle 90. You can directly write. So 2 ones are here 45, that is 45 degree. This is your justification. Now student, question third, we have to construct the angle of the following measurement. So the first one is 30. Now student, angle 30 is a bisector of 60, means to draw 30 degree you have to draw 60 degree. So already I have drawn a ray OA. So before starting we have to draw an angle 60 degree. So take a sufficient distance, we should not be too small or too big, and draw the arc in such a way. You can say Measure arc here. Now what distance you have taken to draw this arc from O? Okay, that same distance you have to take from here, and from this where the arc and the base line is intersecting, from that point you have to draw the arc like this. Okay, now this is nothing but 30 degree. This point means this angle. If we will if we will join O with this point, it will give us 60 degree, but we want 30. 30 is a bisector of 60. 60 means 0 and 60. So your reference point will be now this 0 and 60. Now take more than half, or you can take full distance like this and draw the arc here. Taking the same distance from this reference point, which is 60 degree, draw the arc like this. Okay, and then this is the point of intersection which you can take as B. Okay, and join now O with B, draw the line segment, and this is nothing but it will give you angle 30 degree. Now this angle BOA is nothing but 30 degree, so this angle will be 30 degree. Okay, now student, in this same question they have given 15 degree. Now 15 degree is nothing but bisector of 30 degree. So to draw the 15 degree, first this whole step you have to repeat and draw the 30 degree. Now you have to draw the bisector of 30 degree. Now this is 0 and this will be 30, so this will be your second reference point. Now take more than half of the distance between them, or you can take the full distance like this. Okay, and draw the arc here, and another arc we will draw from this point, which is 30 degree. So they are intersecting at this point. Now join O with this point, which you can take as point D. Join them. So this angle DOA will be your 15 degree, which you have to draw for this question third sub question, 15 degree. Question third, second one, student. Now we have already seen in question second of exercise 11.1 how to draw 45. So for that we have to draw 90, then bisect it, we will get 45 like this. Now 22.5 degree is nothing but 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree is nothing but bisector of 45. Bisector means half of 45. 45 का half है, इसलिए 22.5 डिग्री ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपको बाइसेक्टर ऑफ 45 लेना पड़ेगा. फॉर दैट यू हैव टू फर्स्ट ड्रॉ 45 डिग्री. सो दिस इज द 45 डिग्री, दिस इज योर 45 डिग्री, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. ड्रॉ द बाइसेक्टर. सो टू ड्रॉ द बाइसेक्टर, टेक द, you can say more than half, or you can take full distance. So I have taken the full distance. Now draw the arc here, and don't disturb this, otherwise your angle will not come. Here little bit disturbance, so but it has intersected here, so you will get. So this is the point of intersection of two arcs. Now join O with this point. Okay, so already you can give here name, point name as D. So angle DOA will be angle 22.5 degree or 22.5 degree. Student, now question 4, construct the following angles and verify by measuring them by the protractor. Now student, first angle we have to construct is 75 degree, and 75 degree is nothing but bisector of 90 and 60. So 90 plus 60, 150 divided by 2 will be 75. So to draw 75 degree we have to draw 90 and 60 degree. So we know how to construct 60 and 95. So we'll start now. First I will draw 60. Take a sufficient distance, draw the arc. It should be major arc because we have to draw 90, and for 90 we have to draw 120 also. So now from this point keep the same distance. This will be 60, this point will be 60, and again if we will take 60 means this will be 120. Here 60, 120. We have taken 66. Now 90 is the bisector of this. We got 60 which we want. Now we want 90. So take the same distance, draw the arc here. Now from this point, that is 120, draw the arc such that it will intersect the first arc. Okay, so now join this line. This point you can extend. So this is 90. Now this is 60 and this is 90. These are the two reference points. We will take bisector of 60 and 90, then you will get 75. So this is 60, 90. Okay, so I have taken this, draw the arc. One of the arc will be here. Same distance now from the 90 here to draw. So this is the point which will give us 75 degree. Now join it. If you are taking this C, that means angle CA, this angle CAB will be 75 degree which we want.